All right, guys, so now we're going to move on to a technique called fixed point. All right, I'm sure you're familiar with it, even if you don't recognize the name. All right, you must know this move. Okay, that's fixed point. You see mimes do it all the time. Okay, so we're going to give the illusion that something is there even though it's not. Okay, so let's try this. Let's pretend there's a brick in the air. Okay, so there's a brick here. You're going to grab the brick like this. Then you're going to move the brick. Boom. Then you're going to release your hand from the brick and then swap hands. Bang. Okay, so now you've got the brick in your hand. You move it, release it, and then grab it again. Okay, so a couple of things. We want to make sure that we're grabbing the brick and it has weight. So we're not just going like this. Okay, you know a brick is quite heavy, so have tension in your hands. All right, when you move it again, it has weight. Make it look like it's not a struggle, but you need force to move it, right? From here, you have to release your fingers. If you don't release your fingers, the brick is still there, all right? So release your fingers. The brick is floating now, because we're magic, we're poppers, we're magicians. And then in the exact same place, you grab the brick, all right? What you can't do is go like this, boom, release the brick, and then grab here. Doesn't make any sense, all right? Make sure you keep focus and then you grab in exactly the same place. All right? So we're just going to move, change, move, change. And you can go in any direction. Change, boom, change, boom, change, boom, change. All right? Let's try that.